Salut! Do you want to learn French? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through 50 basic words and phrases so you can start off on your French language learning journey. Allons-y! First up, let's go over some simple French greetings. How many do you already know? Salut! Bonjour! Bonsoir! Enchanté! You'll notice that there's an extra E written in brackets at the end of this word. You would add on this extra E in the written form if you're a female. However, the pronunciation does not change. Comment allez-vous? This is used in a more formal setting to speak to someone you don't know or someone who is your superior, like your boss. It's also used to speak to several people at once. Comment ça va? This is used in a less formal setting to speak to someone you already know or to a child, for example. Comment vas-tu? Ça roule? This is an example of French slang. This can be used between friends. Quoi de neuf? Au revoir. À plus. Bonne journée. This is used at the end of an interaction with someone to bid them a good day, but don't forget to say bonne soirée if it's evening. Now let's move on to some more basic words. Follow the words on the screen as I pronounce them. Oui. Non. Excusez-moi. Pardon. You can use this one if you accidentally bump into someone, for example. S'il vous plaît or s'il te plaît, depending on whether you're being formal or informal or speaking to one or more people. Merci. De rien. Now we'll look at some phrases you can use to help you get to know others. Comment tu t'appelles? Or comment vous appelez-vous? Où habites-tu? Or où habitez-vous? Quel est ton travail? Or quel est votre travail? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Or qu'est-ce que vous faites? Tu aimes? Or vous aimez? Est-ce que tu as un passe-temps? Or avez-vous un passe-temps? Que penses-tu de? Or que pensez-vous de? Now we'll look at how to ask for clarification, directions and help when you're out and about. Excusez-moi, je n'ai pas compris. Pouvez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît? Qu'est-ce que vous avez dit? Comment? Or less formal. Quoi? Je ne parle pas français. Parlez-vous anglais? Excusez-moi, où est? Excusez-moi, je cherche. Est-ce que c'est près d'ici? Finally, let's look at some food and dining vocabulary that you will find useful when visiting French-speaking countries. Bonjour or bonsoir, une table pour 2 personnes s'il vous plaît. Nous préférons être en terrasse. Nous préférons être à l'intérieur. La carte s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais. Je vais prendre. Qu'est-ce que vous me conseillez? Je n'ai pas encore choisi. Je suis allergique à. Je suis végétarien. Je suis végétarienne. Je suis végane. Je prendre le plat du jour, s'il vous plaît. Bon appétit! Est-ce qu'on peut avoir l'addition? So, how many words did you know? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into learning in a fun, engaging environment, Rosetta Stone has everything you need to start the next step in your French learning journey. You'll even get immediate in-app feedback on your pronunciation with True Accent, which is built into every lesson. Go to www.rosettastone.com or download the app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to start learning French today. And for more educational videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. À plus!